Hey guys, today I have with me the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume button and SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G comes with a 64-megapixel triple camera setup with the OnePlus logo at the back. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OnePlus Nord CE2 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G is Android 11 with Oxygen OS. So guys, that's it for OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.